In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and trim videos in Shotcut. Before we dive in, a quick note on what we're doing. Trimming simply means shortening a clip by changing where it starts or ends, while cutting means splitting it into separate pieces. Shotcut makes both of these really straightforward, and I'll show you 3 practical ways to do it so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. First, let's look at trimming in the preview before a clip even goes to your timeline. Load your video into Shotcut and select it so it plays in the preview window. Along the preview's play bar, you'll see small handles or arrows at each end. Click and drag those handles to set the new start and end points of your clip. This tells Shotcut which portion you want to keep before you move it to the timeline. It's great for quick cleanup, like removing a long lead-in or cutting off dead space at the end. Play it back to confirm the timing, and remember, you're not damaging the original file. You're just choosing the range you want to use. Next, you can trim directly on the timeline. After placing your clip, hover over the left or right edge of it until you see a resize cursor. Click and drag inward to shorten the clip from that side. Dragging the left edge sets a new start, dragging the right edge sets a new end. This is ideal when you're building a sequence and want to tighten edits in context. For precision, zoom in on the timeline so each frame is easier to hit, and let snapping help you align cuts with the playhead or other clips. If you trim too far, just drag the edge back out to reveal more of the original media. Finally, use Split at Playhead to cut exactly where you need. Move the playhead to the exact frame you want to cut. Then click the Split at Playhead button on the timeline toolbar or simply press S on your keyboard. Your clip becomes 2 separate pieces right at that spot. From there, you can select and delete the unwanted section, slide clips together to close gaps, or leave the pieces separate for transitions and rearranging. After a split, you can still refine each piece by adjusting its edges, just like in the previous method. That's all there is to it. Trim in the preview to set a clean range, trim on the timeline to fine-tune in context, and split at the playhead for precise cuts. Practice these together, and your edits in Shotcut will become faster, cleaner, and more intentional.